SKYWORTH TV, consistently ranking among the top 5 in the global color TV industry, operates 5 overseas bases and 6 overseas cooperative production bases, 7 domestic bases, with an annual production capacity of 25 million units. SKYWORTH Manufacturing possesses comprehensive capabilities across all sizes, categories, and processes, with high precision and advanced manufacturing expertise. It is recognized as one of the first 10 pilot demonstration units for China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology MIIT 5G fully connected factories, and one of the first 46 pilot demonstration units for MIIT's National Smart Manufacturing Initiative. It has an independent Class 10,000 clean SMT workshop and over 40 SMT production lines. Module clean room with over 40 module production lines, featuring an overall Class 10,000 and local Class 1,000 clean environment. Over 50 intelligent production lines, equipped with advanced equipment in the industry, realizing automated production for key processes. The product range includes LEDs, mini LEDs, OLED TVs, commercial displays, and monitors, covering sizes from 19 to 130 inches. SKYWORTH extensively adopts low-cost, independently developed core AI machine vision inspection technologies, deploying them across over 30 key quality inspection categories factory-wide, including visual detection and high-precision visual positioning. With more than 300 vision inspection devices, automated machine vision inspection replaces manual checks, reliably ensuring end product quality. SKYWORTH Manufacturing consistently maintains high-quality standards in the global first tier. Through integrated information systems, it implements error-proofing and foolproofing controls in the production process, efficiently supports multi-client OEM manufacturing, and enables full process traceability and refined management of each procedure. This solidifies the digital foundation for high-quality production. As a leader in China's Industrial Carbon Peak initiative, SKYWORTH is recognized as a pilot enterprise for the first batch of green supply chains, a 6th batch green factory, a clean production excellence partner of Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Advanced Energy Saving Collective in Guangdong Province. The company continues to deepen its ESG practices, driving green development through technological innovation. With the intelligent upgrading of Chinese manufacturing and the accelerated iteration of AI technology, SKYWORTH will continue to lead the new wave of smart manufacturing, aiming to set new global industry benchmarks. Leveraging the 3 engines of lean production, automation, and informatization, SKYWORTH continuously drives quality improvement, efficiency enhancement, and cost reduction, establishing itself as a globally competitive leader in smart home appliances and information technology.
SKYWORTH